Running a cleaning business isn't easy. You're working long hours, managing your crew, and still trying to keep the phone ringing with new jobs. But ads, they're expensive. Agencies, they promise the world, but rarely deliver the customers you need. And when new leads do come in, too often they slip through the cracks. Missed calls, forgotten follow-ups, that's money lost. Then there's the paperwork, requesting 5-star reviews from your customers, invoicing customers, chasing payments, writing up estimates. It's exhausting. But what if there was a better way? What if there was one single app built just for trades like yours? An end-to-end solution that brings in customers, captures every lead, automates follow-ups, and makes invoicing and estimates a breeze. No more wasted ad spend, no more lost customers, just one system to run and grow your business. Take a look inside, and lunch is on me for your time.